Hi, and welcome to another video on the Rest the Test channel. In this video, I want to have a look at my Cypress project and all the Cypress project I have locally, and I'm curious to see, okay, can I upgrade this without going into much trouble, many issues, since this is version 13 on my local machine, and but at the time of this recording, the latest version of Cypress is bigger. So how can I do the upgrade? I can on the one hand check in the documentation and see what changes are there, or like I'm doing right now, I'm checking in Cypress, and apparently the latest version is 14.0.3. So what did I do? I just copied the npm command. I'm doing npm install right now. It will take some time, and in the meantime, let me just have a look at the documentation in the changelog. I'm going to post a link into the description of the video to see where you can get always the changelog for all of the Cypress versions. And you should check this out pretty often, or especially when you do an update, to see if you, on the one hand, want to do an update, and if you update from one lower version to a bigger version, always make sure to check the migration guides. You will see what has been deprecated. You can even see the bug fixes which have been done, and also you might see that some of the way that you do things or used to do things in Cypress have changed. Now, for my project here, everything has been updated, and let me see if I can run it. So Cypress says I run it the first time, and it also gives me a short update on what are the newer uh, changes done to Cypress version 14. Now, before I can say this is working or not working, let's have a look. So I still have all of my browsers, and I even have WebKit. If you don't know how to add WebKit, I have a video in this playlist, which you can have a look at. It's really easy to install, and it will help you try out your test on different browsers, or on a different browser than the normal ones, especially if you're on a Windows machine. And so Firefox works, Chrome works, that's good. But the big question that remains, do my tests still work? Or do they start? Are the assertions still working? Can I still do my normal work with it? So let's just find out. I'm going to check my settings really quick to see if anything is marked as being unorthodox or having issues. And seems to be fine. Now let me just start the test. And this test, if I remember correctly, should fail. And if it fails, then it seems we're all good. If it doesn't, then we're going to investigate. But apparently it will fail. And there you have it. This was how to update your Cypress test. If you have any questions, do not forget to post in the comments. And as always, do not forget to rest, then test, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.